Write ratios of 2 or 3 quantities. The table below shows the number of different balls in a sports room. We got football 7, basketball 16, volleyball is 8. The question is going to ask us to find different ratios comparing these different balls together. So the first one says find the ratio of the number of footballs to the number of basketballs. If I'm going to try to solve this problem, the first thing I need to figure out is, okay, well, what is the number of footballs? Okay, I'm going to look up at my table, and as I can see, that footballs is going to be 7. All right, so footballs, let's scroll over, right here is 7, and I know that my basketball is 16. So right here I can write in my ratio of footballs to basketballs is going to be 7 to 16. Okay, so that first one is done. Next one says, what's the ratio of basketballs to volleyballs? Okay, again, I'm going to go up to my table. Basketballs is 16, volleyballs is 8. That's going to become my ratio. Basketball is 16 to volleyballs 8. Okay. For the next one, again, now I want to see the number of footballs to the number of volleyballs. And again, I'm going to go to my table. Footballs is 7, volleyballs is 8, and I'm going to write in 7 to 8. Notice also that when I do this, I always put the numbers in the correct order. This ratio is asking for footballs to volleyballs, so I have to make sure that I list my footballs first and my volleyballs second. Okay? Just like we did with the first two. Now, the last one introduces us to coming up with a ratio of all 3 quantities. When we ask for a ratio with 3 quantities, we're still going to do it the same way as with 2 quantities. We're going to look for the number of footballs to the number of basketballs to the number of volleyballs. Footballs 7, basketballs 16, and volleyballs 8.